Welcome to a brand new edition of Millennials Financial Apps brought to you by Medici at Money 2020. So, here I am today with our first guest, Mallory Evron. She tells me that she's a millennial. I trust her on that.
I promise.
So, here's the question for you, Mallory. What are the apps on your phone that you use that are in the financial services category?
So the financial apps on my phone have their own folder.
Okay.
And they're mostly banking apps,
Okay.
like Chase, Capital
Chase.
One, and Citibank. I have credit cards with all of them. For my banking app, I use Simple because I like the branchless banks. I don't really go into branches at all anymore. There's no need to. I also have Venmo and Cash App to send money to my friends, the Stash app to manage my investments, Lemonade for my renter's insurance, and Credit Karma so I can monitor my credit score.
So you have 9 financial apps here.
Yes.
All the way from a few big banks to some fintech startups, and you have banking apps, you have wealth management apps. Which one do you use the most, and how often do you use it?
Probably Venmo, and anytime I need to pay my roommates for bills or for dinner when we're out together, because none of us carry cash anymore.
Is that your most favorite app? Do you think they do a great job at the experience for you?
In the financial space, yes. It does exactly what it needs to. It's very obvious when something's going wrong. If there's any bank connectivity issues, it will warn you immediately, so I know that I have to sync my bank again to pay my friends. And it'll also remind me when I've issued a payment to my friend or a request and it's expired or they haven't paid me and it's been 2 weeks. So it's very efficient.
If you were to wish for a new app designed just for you, what would that app look like?
Probably something that leverages the open banking policies that would make all of my credit cards available in one app. So as I said, my credit cards are with major banks like Citi and Capital One and Chase. And if I could view all of those statements together all at once and even pay them from the same app, that would be my ideal financial solution.
What is the app that you don't like at all?
In the financial space, I think.
It's okay, we won't tell them.
I was going to say, it's.
We just broadcast live on television that you don't like this app.
I think the Credit Karma app could be a little bit more useful. It really only tells me my credit score. Most of my credit card apps keep that as well. And then it's just a lot of ads for different credit cards. So I wish the Credit Karma app was a little bit more useful to me as a consumer, but I still, for some reason, keep it on my phone. So I don't dislike it enough to delete it.
Got it. Mallory, thank you so much.
Anytime.
This was Mallory Evron in our new segment, Millennials talking about financial apps at Money 2020, brought to you by Medici Studio.